Hill Gorge is part of Boodjamulla National Park, located in the northwest corner of Queensland. There is a campground which has showers and flushing toilets and is suitable for both camper trailers and tents. Booking in advance is essential and can only be done online or by phone. Canoeing through the gorge offers an amazing perspective of the huge red rock walls and is a must-do. You can hire canoes for a modest fee, or you can bring your own. There are also plenty of hiking trails to explore, as well as many spots to go for a swim. Only freshwater crocs inhabit the gorge, which are very shy and aren't considered a threat to people. Landscape, towering red cliffs and beautiful water have made Lawn Hill Gorge one of our favourite places. It is definitely one of Queensland's hidden gems.